Hello, this is Willy Booger. Thank you for joining me. What you just got through hearing was a little bit of the Mojotone. This is the 58. It's a pre-wired pickguard and completely solderless. This is truly, I have put a lot of pickups and pickguards on guitars I've been playing music over 40 years at this point. So I've had my share of tone experimentation, and man, does this make it a lot easier. And why is, I used to think, well, you hear solderless or something like that, you think, I think a lot of musicians were sometimes stuck in their ways. But I have bought kits before, and they have been proven still today to work great. Got this one. This one's the blender. So what's really cool about this, I got a humbucker in the bridge right there. And these are all Mojotone USA made. And on the back, when you get I'm going to show a picture of me installing it. Little bit of a view there, but you basically have a customized pickguard just for you. And here's why. You can blend, set it on a blender mode. And what does that mean? You can do standard, and it'll show you how to flip the switches, the dip switches inside of it. You just flip it on what you want. You want standard, where it's tone, and volume. Or you can do a blender, and it'll show you that. And then the blender makes it where you can blend in, if you're in the neck, which is number 5 position, you can turn this knob here, blend in the bridge. And sometimes, like when you're in the bridge, you can blend in the neck. So I'm going to go on a clean channel here. Well, it's only clean. This is a very raw, straightforward, dry as a bone amp. So I just have a light reverb on, and that's it. So that's the neck position. I'm going to go in the blender mode is how I got it, but I'm not blending anything. So it's just standard sound, straightforward pickup neck. You ready? Okay, I'm gonna do number 4 position. Gonna do the middle position now. And then I'm gonna go number 2 position. And then the bridge humbucker. There you go. Now here's the cool part where you can customize your sound is the blender. And I do want to mention that you also, as another modification, can do with just a switch. On and off switch is a treble bleed. Treble bleeds are behind the volume. And you can activate that or deactivate that depending on what you want. And so what does it do? So if you don't have it, when you turn down your volume slowly, your pickups get darker just by laws of physics. So the treble bleed, you can switch that on, and it sounds pretty much the same, just at a quieter volume. It's not going to get muddy or darker. Let's blend it. You're gonna see me gradually turn it. Blended with the bridge. with distortion on. I just want to hit this. Well, there you have it. That gives you just an idea of some of the tones. And through your different amps and pedals, of course, you're going to have different tonal options. Let's go ahead and end this with a fun blues jam with my new Pickguard by Mojotone. It's the 58s.